Friends, I'm taking buggy service at airport for the first time. सर लेट हो गया, रास्ते पे ट्रैफिक तो नहीं मिलेगा ना? सिग्नल विग्नल तोड़ सकते हैं क्या? बाय गाइस। सबको बाय बोल रहा हूँ। खो न जाएंगे। A lot of people might probably think that I'm too lazy to walk. That's not true. Maybe it's true. OTP 2834 गलत है। चुपचाप चला चल। थोड़ा जल्दी चलाओ ना, लेट हो रहा है मुझे।
Why are you sitting behind? What is wrong with you?
सर आप गाड़ी चलाओ ना, आप ये अजीब अजीब सवाल मत पूछो कि आगे बैठो। को एकदम अनकंफर्टेबल फील हो रहा है सर, आप प्लीज
उतरो।
बचाओ, मेरा कैब ही क्रीपी है, बचाओ।
Do you mind mapping at least?
स्टार्ट दबाओ, आ जाएगा, डायरेक्शन आ जाएगा। आप बराबर से करो।
आपको गाड़ी चलाना आता है?
आता है ना?
तो चलाओ। मैं जा रहा हूँ।
Guys, my cab guy has finally started driving again.
सर पेट्रोल नहीं है।
पेट्रोल नहीं है? इतने रात को अभी कहाँ से पेट्रोल लेगा हम?
मुझे नहीं बोला, बताओ क्या करूँ?
आपको सेक्स करना है मेरे साथ?
नहीं, we'll not talk about this. We'll not talk about this to anyone.
Later.
पेट्रोल आ गया क्या?
आप बात मत करो वैसे।
I think so. 69 लिखा है यहाँ पे. First, wait 1 second. What are they doing it? Can you hear something? Check.
We won't have time for this today.
We checked if you guys were doing it or no.
स्वागत के पहले बड़े कमरे में क्यों हो तुम?
Excited for your wedding. Wake up, wake up.
Wedding is so stressful, yaar. I wanted it to be like a Bollywood thing.
कल परसों यही होने वाला है।
Yeah, but like now we are sitting and allotting rooms.
Yes, and if you wanted a Bollywood wedding, you should have picked Atirai Kapoor.
I picked him and I got married to him also.
No, we got the punchline.
मेरे 6K फॉलोअर्स बढ़ गए 6000 एक दिन में
People will want to see what's happening.
What the
Guys, Ashu saw a wedding today at the venue that we're doing. How was that wedding, Ashu?
it was quite sad because I saw it and I realized that there's no background music, there's no kabira, something that sets the mood to what is actually happening. There's no slow-mo, everything is happening
In real time.
in real time. And secondly, they missed the sunset for Varmala.
What happens at sunset?
Sunset पे तुम वरमाला डालते हो
For photos?
for life. You spend so much money just so that at sunset you put Varmala on him, he puts Varmala on you, flower shower happens, okay? And that is your moment. That's what you spend so much goddamn money on. And these Baratis apparently were sitting and dancing at 6 o'clock when the sun is setting. And idiots missed. That bride would be pissed AF. देख रहा है ना आकाश? zoom हो रहा है तुझ पे. पता है ना देखो what I'm meaning over here.
5 PM I'll be at the mandap waiting for you. तेरा एंट्री का वेट होगा.
Because your wedding has a queue master.
Sounds like ringmaster. And I'm the ringmaster of this wedding. ये मेरा गोवा है. मैं आगे जयकांत.
हमको लेके आना है ना बारात, हम चलाएंगे। दूल्हा तुम तो गाड़ी में बैठेगे।
ये बारात है क्या कल?
हाँ बारात
कल निकली, परसों।
बारात का ही तो बात हो रहा है। हमको लेके आना है। सनसेट हमको पहुंचाना है सनसेट के पहले।
It's a vintage Chevy in which I'll be sitting in.
Coming in a car.
वो घोड़ा नहीं है तो
So uncomfortable है. Have you ever sat on a ghoda?
No. So what do we have to do in Bharat? Like dance for like 1 kilometer?
Band है.
मेरे को टाइम है, बहुत टाइम है।
कितना टाइम?
है 5-6 साल है।
5-6 साल.
I don't know.
और पूरा साथ तक जीना है तो क्या?
2-3 साल।
हाँ शादी क्यों कर रहे हो?
5-6 साल है।
2-3 साल।
उसको पता है क्या?
हाँ
बोल दिया क्या?
बोल देगा ना।
5-6 साल की हो तब वो 18 का होगी।
to know how to balance this. कि कितना बताना चाहिए, कितना रखना चाहिए, कितना छुपाना चाहिए. देखो वो लास्ट वैलेंटाइन डे फूल भेजा था, उसका कुछ हुआ क्या?
कौन बोल? ये लोग तो भेजता.
अच्छा, हम लोग ने भेजा था.
झूठ बोलो, बार बार झूठ बोलो.
Oh yeah. Oh, that one. Yeah. Why are we discussing about my wedding? About yours.
To discuss about our
It should
wedding.
be yours.
What should I gift your wife for your wedding?
Oh, uncle, first gift me. His wife and all you're starting.
तूने भी मेहंदी लगाया क्या नवीन? पता?
हाँ.
क्या बनाया तूने? क्या है ये?
बड़ा मीम रिव्यू करता है.
कौन सा?
मीम नहीं आता. हाँ? कहाँ गया मीम रिव्यू?
कौन सा मीम है ये? ओ ये तो ड्रेक लग नहीं रहा है ब्रो.
नीचे वाला
ड्रेक की जगह ये तेनाली रमन बना के छोड़ दिया है. I don't need my hotline bling. भगवान's plan. Akash has one hand can't clap on his hand because Akash's company is called One Hand Clap, and so if he has mehndi on one hand, he can't clap with it. Are you proud?
I'm so very proud. But the joke lasts only for 5 minutes while the mehndi is on. Then he can clap only. I just want to show how dark it is, which means that his to-be wife loves him that much.
That's not how it works.
That's the logic.
But by that logic, Naveed's gonna be single his whole life, bro.
Sorry to break this to you, Naveed. Maybe that wedding is not
This
fine.
is also not very dark.
It's pretty dark.
The content part is fading away. The flower is there.
It's
What does that
very-
mean? What does that mean?
It's damn dark, bro.
Not as dark as this, na? See?
Yeah, like this.
Sorry, Tanmay.
Look at this.
I don't think so.
ये तो भाई
भाई ऐसे लगता है बॉल पेन लेके ड्रॉ किया है.
Yeah, this is very dark, man. Who is Ash?
कौन है?
何？お前はもう死んでいる。
Naveed ka this side look is just so funny.
Yeah. This coy boy look, no?
Look.
आपको सेक्स करना है मेरे साथ? What were you saying?
Where is my gift? He makes it so awkward. Okay, then I have to be like, अरे मैं मजाक कर रही थी, मुझे नहीं चाहिए gift.
First of all, I have given you the gift of Akash.
You know how many times I have to tell you, you had no role to play in it.
I had no role to play, but I gave permission for you to date Akash.
I didn't even know you back then.
And despite that, I gave permission. Can you believe? एक अनजान लड़की को मैंने permission दे दिया यार, नवीन. Okay, bye. What are you guys gonna do now?
I'm going to get married. I'm going to have sangeet. I'm not going to do haldi. Then I will do suhag.
Good morning. We are on our way to the hotel for the wedding. I'm here with Shankar today.
तेरी माँ देख रही होगी, तेरा दिमाग ठीक है? क्या कर रहा है?
The ones who know it, please.
I know it. She's so pissed at me because मैं थोड़ा भी dance practice नहीं किया. If anybody is having a wedding, here's a pro tip. The bride and groom are missing all the actions. Start a WhatsApp group, which I have just done for wedding commentary, and just keep sending them videos so they feel like they're caught up with the whole thing.
ये लास्ट बेंचर्स बोल रहे झींगा चाहिए झींगा 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 झींगा
साउथ इंडियन एंड गुजराती वेडिंग जिंगट तो नहीं होगा. ओके एवरीवन.
झिंगा पे डांस करना था. मैम ना बोल रही है, मैं कैसे करूँ?
हो गया डांस प्रैक्टिस खत्म हो गया. ये कोई वक्त पे आने का.
Hi, Evan.
कहाँ दारू पी के पड़ा था?
What are you saying? You are not putting any of this out. Okay?
क्या ही हो रहा है ना?
Everything's fine.
What's
It literally feels like an office because I am in my room asking Akash, why did we call so many people? Guys, this wedding is just too much. let this happen?
मैंने पहले ही बोला था
भाग के शादी करते हैं।
तूने क्या बोला?
कि ऐसा ही होगा ठीक है मैंने जो बोला
I just want fun to start right now. Guys, have fun. Start, everybody fun. Yay, it's happening.
How many guests are from your side and how many guests are from his side? 50-50.
That's a lie. I have 94 people. He has 112 people.
मेरे
100.
रिलेटिव सेम है मेरे दोस्त ज़्यादा है
चुप कर. Tanmay, you know you're on my list now. So just he comes. देखो Tanmay चाहिए क्या?
बेच दिया मेरे को भाई। I walk in. There are guitar players. Yeah, your mom and your dad are standing. Welcome. Then your dad looks at the guitar players. Come, play Bombay से आ मेरे को. guitar player. Bombay से आया मेरा दोस्त. Because he's probably like सब लोग बॉम्बे से आ रहे हैं कितने बार गए हैं. Your side of the family was very sweet. Your side was hilarious. I've told Raymond explicitly saying cover Akash's family. Your side of the family gives way better content. Your dad and Aishwarya's dad are in like some sort of a joke off, okay? Where if one dad makes a joke, the other has to top it with another dad joke. Why does this wedding turn into Comic Stan?
There's DID happening and
Comic Stan.
here it's Big Boss. देखा तूने ऐसे क्या?
मेरे ज़्यादा दोस्त हैं
Pool में जाना allowed है क्या?
But don't wear
Allowed.
kapda and get into the pool.
Why would I wear swimming clothes? I
Because
thought we
I
had a
wrote it in
theme.
the invite. Why? What is it? What
I
is
want to
it?
do a little photo shoot. You are following theme?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You're also following theme. We should all do a photo shoot.
Now we just need to see if everyone's themes align.
Yeah. Is it bohemian or is it just
flowers.
सब fun करो यार.
कल तो लेकिन टाइम पे
I'm very
करेंगे
chill है ना. तुमको टाइम पे आना है आओ. तुमको नहीं आना मत आओ. It's all cool.
I just met Ashur's grandmother's younger sister.
Yeah.
Who comes up to me and she says, you know, I've been watching you for so many years. I'm a big fan of ABC. How's the food, uncle?
Very good.
Enjoying?
Yes.
Are you ready to jump into the pool?
हाँ no I can't do that
This boy is ready.
I'm ready. I'll go take you also inside.
I'll come if you take me I'll come let's see
ओनली स्वीट आकाश की शादी में सिर्फ मिठाई खानी है और कुछ नहीं चाहिए
अशोक जी शादी के लिए आज ही तैयार है.
ड्रिंक्स बहुत सारी मेरे पापा हैं ना वो साथ में हैं। वो आधे घंटे में आके चेक करते हैं सबसे बदमाश मैं हूँ ना पूरे घर में की शादी है अपन एंजॉय नहीं करेगा तो कौन करेगा आकाश की ऐसी फोटो है ना मेरे पास अगर मैं आज रिलीज करूँ ना तो उसका पूरा चिट्ठा खुल जाएगा
क्या फोटो है?
जब वो पैदा हुआ जब पहली बार वो स्नान करने गया ना
Everyone on Aishwarya's side of the family seems more civil. Their evolution happened fast. हमारा भी हो रहा है evolution.
And gals, are you ready for dancing?
Yes.
Sonali, are you ready for dancing?
I remember, but then I have this serious face of like remembering steps while dancing.
All okay?
Everything's good.
Which room are you crying in?
401.
Right.
So I should come later.
No. Hey, what? I didn't even get it. Ass.
And what look are you going for?
We're doing a beautiful colored liner on her.
I know what that means.
Listen, hold him. Hi, Chandu.
climb and lick face
I will hit you. This is what it takes. What? To be a bride.
Do we spread rumors that you're missing?
Yeah, do that. Yeah, she ran away or something.
Zero energy to run away. At this point, even if I don't want to get married, just out of laziness, I'll do it. They just create so much stress and unnecessary activities around the wedding. That's what I was telling Akash, you know. At the end, when the bride cries, it's not because she's emotional, it's just because she's frustrated. कि भाई मेरे को रोना है यार. खत्म करो ये. Is my mom here?
No, she left. You can say as loudly as
सही लग रहा है ना
Yeah.
क्या मेरे को तो मालूम पड़ गया रणवीर सिंह ऐसा कपड़ा क्यों पहनता है. जस्ट कॉन्फिडेंट मैक्स क्लोथिंग.
तेरी याद सताए रात रात, तेरी याद सताए रात रात. वादे दिए कितने वादे दिए, तेरी याद सताए रात रात, तेरी याद सताए रात रात. How could you leave दिन तेरे किड दा दा दा. How could you leave दिन तेरे किड दा.
कि सीमा आंटी गलत कहती है कि मैरिज इज नॉट अबाउट कॉम्प्रोमाइजेस, इट इज अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन, और यही करते जाना है. मैं अंत एक किस्से से करना चाहता हूँ कि हम सब दोस्त प्लान बना रहे थे कोलाबा में, तो खाना तो हमने खत्म कर दिया. वो आया बिना खाने के कुछ फेवर करे, बोला दोस्तों मुझे प्यार हो गया. एक लड़की से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ कुछ दिनों से, और हम दोनों के बीच में काफी बैंटर है, काफी किल वाइब्स, और मैं इसी से शादी करूंगा. उस टाइम तो उन्होंने चलो 1 महीने बाद देखते हैं क्या होगा, बट आज हम 1-1.5 साल बाद यहाँ मौजूद हैं इनकी शादी में. सो प्लीज put your hands together and wish lots of kill vibes, banter and loads of love to the beautiful couple.
थोड़े लाफ्स आएंगे, ये साले हंस नहीं रहते पर थोड़े लाफ्स आएंगे.
But very emo, very nice. Too much emo for my liking. But all in all, I think it'll strike a vibe with the audience. With the room at large. Especially with the elderly people. They were like, "Oh, ये हमारे लड़के ने friend बहुत अच्छा."
ग्लिसरीन है तेरे पास?
वो थोड़ा सा लग जाएगा मतलब. 2 बोतल मंगा लेते, एक बियर का कैन मंगाने का केस, उसके 2 बोतल ग्लिसरीन मंगा लेते.
This is true friendship when your शादी involves word documents for other people.
As a CA Excel फाइल बनाना चाहिए था.
No, knowing ऐश्वर्या वो ये अभी थोड़ी देर में पूछ लेगी, सो इसका PDF भेज दे ताकि मैं चेंज ना कर सके. PDF भेज. भाई बहुत प्रेशर है ना भाई, ये सब बहुत प्रेशर.
I don't remember anything. I don't want to get scolded. Like parent teacher बुलाएगा. मैं edit में fix कर सकता ना 2 सेकंड delay.
हेलो, ऑल द बेस्ट. दफा हो जाओ.
थैंक यू.
सब बेइज्जत यार. भगाई देते सीधा.
अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम बोलेगी तो भी नहीं आने का.
आफ्टर द पर्सन रीचेस देन यू आर टू एंटर.
इतना लंबा सॉन्ग है.
हां तो
वहाँ जाके हम चिल करेंगे.
तू मेरा रोज कमल
One good thing about wearing shades inside the dark venue is that you don't see anything, so you are not embarrassed.
अरे चाचा, अरे झिंगाट लगा दो यार.
स्टेप की जरूरत नहीं है.
अब आज हम डांस करते हैं.
चलो झिंगाट. चलो झिंगाट.
I gave up.
You are not putting any of this out. Okay.
सोशल मीडिया शो ऑफ के लिए फोटो खींचने के लिए रेडी. ओके, शर्माने वाला पोज मिल गया. पोज, सेक्सी पोज, वेरी नाइस, फुल प्रिटेंशियस, लवली.
Very nice, beautiful. Look into camera. All boys, you have to look at all boys. Not this. What is this?
Smile.
तुम मत करो. नहीं होगा. पूरा मूड बिगाड़ो मत. ठीक है.
भारी फोटो, लवली फोटो, सच क्यूट, मच वाओ, अमेज.
फोटो लेते ही क्या बकचोदी शुरू हो गई.
अरे हाँ, this dance thing is good.
Yeah, but dance like with fun, no? Don't make like. Yeah, like this. ऐश्वर्या फोटो खिंचा रही है, नबीद डांस प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है, आकाश डांस प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है.
यहाँ play. Why don't you guys go and start?
हाँ थोड़ा कुछ.
कर लो ना थोड़ा crowd interaction.
You want us to play the game?
Yes, please.
Okay, done.
Go run.
ओ मेरा साथी मेरे साथ ना, काटे ना कटे दिन रात ना. ओ मेरा साथी मेरे साथ ना, तो सुन लेना तू है मेरा रफीक. मानो ना मेरे कभी बात हबीब, ओ दिन रात यूं ही बे. तो हम क्या करें अब, जाने दो वो बातें कहाँ. तो तेरी यादें जो बिगाड़े जहाँ, अब सुना दे पूरी दास्तां. ऐसे कैसे आए ना बताए और चल पड़े. ऐसे कैसे आए ना बताए और चल पड़े. शीशे के मकानों में तू ऐसी है जो जिंदगी
Will be Mrs. Shah. You're not gonna change your surname to Mrs. Shah. You're changing yourself to Mr. Mohan Raj.
Yeah, he's going to be Mr. Mohan Raj.
Yeah, I like that thought.
Ah, so in all senses, he'll be your daddy. Who do you guys think performed better, Akash or Aishwarya?
Better and Aishwarya's expression.
Expressions.
Expression, you killed it. You killed it.
Congrats on consolation prize, Aishwarya.
Feast on my expressions right now. Guys, there are tears in my eyes.
Okay, now we'll talk about
Akash was damn good though. Akash was very
Akash
good.
was very good. And so was Aishwarya. I'm happy. Akash, if he dances well, then I am only happy. I love you, Akash. You had the best performance, and I am very proud of you. Even though I was the one who made you practice every single time, even though you didn't fucking want to practice. So if you want to give someone credit for this incredible performance of yours, you can feel free to give it to Dhruvi.
How you learned to move your legs like that?
It's all Kartik Arya.
She's cueing you, bro. Why are you missing it?
Okay, take two. Go.
Hey, how did you learn all those amazing dance steps?
That's a separate story.
It's Aishwarya.
Confirmed. We're safe on live.
Oh wow, so sweet. Ashu, what time is Haldi tomorrow? And do you think it will start at 9?
It has to, because I'm going to be all ready. Like, I'm going to be ready.
Cut to 2 p.m.
Guys, Naveed is default Mundu expert.
Holding Mundu in front of elders is a disrespectful thing. So that's why when I see elders...
Yeah, and you know what, Naveed, he meant to disrespect you.
Because all invoices are still pending.
But this doesn't look like you've worn Mundu. Because your kurta is too long.
You do mine also now. आपको sex करना है मेरे साथ?
Sir, I am with legendary content creator and everyone's boss, Mr. Tanmay Bhatt.
Sir. Arey sir, love you too, sir. Love you too. Why are you sweating?
Ma'am is to
your
home.
nipple like this?
This is not my nipple, first of all. It's under boob.
Relate.
Why is all the background music over here like we are in a strip club? Huh? Only trumpet or whatever this dumb instrument is.
Saxophone.
Saxophone, yes.
It's going okay.
Jesus, I am so annoyed. I'm not even on my period.
Aishwarya smile.
नवीद इतना लेट क्यों हुआ तू?
मैं तो तैयार था.
आया क्यों नहीं? तैयार होके रूम में बैठ के क्या फायदा?
मैं बाकी लोग को मुंडू पहनाने के लिए हेल्प कर रहा हूँ.
तू एक अगर तन्मय से पूछ रहा है कि तू आए, तन्मय किधर है? तन्मय नहीं आएगा, बट तेरे को तो आना चाहिए ना. How is this entry not happening? How? I cannot understand. This should be my entry for the wedding at this point.
Okay, they are setting up the smoke bombs. Then we'll fuck
If you
off.
get one smiling shot of me, it will be a miracle. मेरा sunset अगर miss हो गया, I swear, I don't care who's there in the audience. I will get married alone. Even if he doesn't come, I
मैं
will.
क्या नहीं आऊँगा भाई, मैं तो आ ही जाऊँगा ना. तो उतर
तू
के आ
आया
जाऊँगा भाग के.
नहीं?
हाँ, तो क्या?
मैं रेडी थी, पता है. 9 o'clock स्टेज पे चढ़ने के लिए रेडी थी. तू कितने बजे आया?
मैं तो रेडी हूँ.
रेडी नहीं, तेरा फंक्शन हो के आया.
अरे फंक्शन तो कब का हो गया? 8:50 को
फिर
फंक्शन हो
आया
गया था.
क्यों नहीं? आया क्यों
I
नहीं?
asked Ankit.
तू मेरे साथ चिल करने
No, I
आया
asked अपना wedding plan. I asked.
क्यों? तू मुझसे क्यों नहीं बात किया?
फिर मैंने तेरे को कॉल किया. Ankit told me you are busy with your function.
No, my function got over long back.
You should have a word with Ankit, I think.
I think you should have a word with me. Cut.
It was scripted.
Yeah.
तेरे को लगा कि मैं सही में अनॉय होके मतलब मैं हूँ अनॉयड बट इस पे थोड़ी हुई है.
सही में तो बहुत खतरनाक है ये तो ऐसा.
हाँ,
तो ऐसे ही.
सही वाला तो भाई नवीद तो सुना है क्या सही वाला?
तेरे रूम में गया होगा आवाज.
मैं बाहर जाता हूँ. ओह शिट.
मेहंदी वाले दिन तू सुना क्या पूरा?
मेरे को पता चला बाहर कुछ और है.
I can hear Naveed's volume of music just increasing. भाई मेरे को नहीं सुनना. Alexa,
मैं खा चला चला और बढ़ता गया तुम्हारी राह में साथ सांस लेता गया
Can you relax? She's calling you, chat. She's calling you. All friends have gathered to watch entry of Dulhan. उसके क्यू के लिए रुकी है ऐश्वर्या.
Dulhan's taking too much time to enter.
अब तुम्हारे आस-पास आ रही बारात करना इनकार बार देना साथ ओए 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 जो गए दिल मेरा पर तुम सुन ना पाए हमारी बात
Really enjoying you guys almost making out.
ओए 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 चुरा के दिल तेरा हम दूर भागे तेरे बिना तुम्हें चाह कर भी न चाहे
Everyone just hoot and clap. When it happened.
सुना सफर पर प्रेम नगर है मिल पाएंगे क्या हम तुमसे
It's done. Now what? Exciting stuff.
How are you feeling, Ashu?
I'm married. It's insane. I got damn overwhelmed when the marriage got over and we started walking. That's when I was like, oh my god, I'm married.
I saw she was about to cry, but she still didn't cry.
Congratulations. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Mr. Mohan Raj.
Okay, have the juta wala conversation.
What is the last prize? Where is it stuck?
Price. Starting from last price.
Akash doesn't waste time.
One-
He's just like straight to business.
1.5L. Basically, सबका flight का खर्चा we have to like ensure.
मीम में भी 80,000 का जूता था यार. तुम क्या कर रहे हैं 1.5 लाख का
Jordans
जूता?
or anything?
I'm all for this, but 1.5 मैं भी नहीं लूँगी.
मेरी तरफ से 50.
लड़के वालों भाई क्या नेगोशिएट किया तुमने?
1.5L is too basic.
Max, I can give us another 50.
I will keep all of this plus 1.5L.
मान आज से ही दे दे.
How many are coming out of this? Don't make us do maths, okay?
दूसरा कलर का दे दे. मान जाएगा.
There are at least 10x number of people than the number of notes out here. Come on.
You will get one SLL ticket in this.
Welcome to Gujarati family.
चल यार मेरी इज्जत का थोड़ा लाखों में बात करो लाखों में
फाइनल
बात
नेगोशिएशन के
करो
लिए मेरे पास ही है.
वो भी 500 का लो. People don't show their lingerie like that. They're waiting. Showing 500.
Naveed has produced AIB sketches for 10 years, okay? He will operate at the lowest budget possible.
तुम्हें पता है कितना खर्चा हो रहा है इसके लिए? तो are you getting a cut from?
नहीं 1.5 तो मेरे को भी नहीं देना यार.
Bring down the ask.
कितना लोग हैं तुम लोग? कितना लोग हैं?
लोग बहुत है देखो ना तो. We have
चलो
96.
25,000 में बात खत्म करते फिर.
राहुल दुआ. 22 के लिए 22 bottles will be there, beer bottles.
Nothing consumable. Sorry.
Aishwarya is not interested in this negotiation only.
What I
Share में कर लेते हैं देखो आधा देना पड़ेगा.
ये अभी से जो तेरा वो मेरा स्टार्टेड. Guys थोड़ा पीस में करते हैं यार.
Select one out of this.
Always middle finger. What rubbish.
दूसरा वाला 1.5 लाख रुपए ना तो मिस कर दिया
कोई
मैंने.
पकड़.
हमको करना ही नहीं है. मेरा पकड़ना तू. अरे तू मेरा पकड़. नींबू दे दो भाई.
चल कितना देगा तू?
चल 1 लाख पे खत्म करना ब्रो. इतना नाचे तेरे वास्ते. क्या बोल रहे हो भाई? Okay. Whatever now Aishwarya says final is the final amount.
Okay, let's end it at
1.
get a room.
थोड़ा बढ़ा के दे दे आकाश. ठीक है 30 and we
I'm saying मैं और तू भी 10-10 हज़ार डाल के 50 में क्लोज करो.
चलो फिर
50-50.
51.
51 for Shagun purposes.
51 done.
Bro, सस्ते में मिल गया डील. सस्ते में मिल गया. सस्ते में मिल गया.
Hello, you guys are married. It's 4 a.m. What are you guys doing?
We're wondering why you're in our room. Can you please go? got married, and now we can spend time together.
Give baby. Give.
Oh man, if I give you one baby, will you leave me?
I'll leave you alone.
I just want to know, where does it end? I'm booking tickets right now, flight tickets.
Please check the dates.
How to shit on a romantic moment.
He has no clue. He has no clue what has happened.
I was booking flight ticket and here Miss came and I'm gonna mark misses. You know what? Go dance with your londas.
लौंडा में समराइज कर दिया यार.
Arey, not you yaar, Sudarshan.
Called
Since
him.
the time we've gotten married, Sudarshan has come up to me and said कि अभी आप हमारे साथ रील बना सकते हो. Like before this, as though he was like, you know, क्या बोला यार?
Official नहीं हुआ है, पता नहीं.
कभी भी छोड़ सकते हैं, but अभी गाँव में का हफ्ता है, तो अब रील बना सकती है ये हमारे साथ.
Mr. and Mrs. Shah.
It's still Mrs. Aishwarya Monraj.
Yeah, हाँ मोहन राजा.
What did you do last night? What did you do? क्या नहीं है यहाँ पे?
Diapers है.
Diaper है.
Child ejaculation stain there.
I thought this stuff only happens after arranged marriage.
तेरा diaper.
Divine. सुनेगा क्या?
अच्छे से बात कर, ठीक है?
Good.